2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, compass, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, body color door handles, steering wheel controls. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.